Mix these two ingredients, take a tablespoon and, it is possible, you forget the pain for the next 5 years. Every day we face bacteria and infections that can cause us health problems. Stress and labor pressures can also deplete us physically and mentally. Especially the latter situation is responsible for generating strong neck and headaches. That is why, if the environment in which you develop is stressful, you will be interested in reading this article. In it we will show you how to eliminate these pains naturally and simply. Generally, when we feel migraine or neck discomfort, the first thing we think about is taking painkillers. Although this may be a momentary solution, it is not the best there is. First, most drugs cause harmful side effects to health. On the other hand, they are often expensive and in many cases, ineffective. That's why we want to show you a cheap and simple natural remedy that you can do in your own home. Say goodbye to the pains with this natural remedy. The remedy we will present below is extremely simple. Its preparation consists of only 2 ingredients and is very easy to make. Your results are 100% guaranteed and do not bring any side effects. Pay attention to the following instructions on how to prepare it. What we will need: salt of the Himalaya, 15 teaspoons. And refined sunflower or olive oil, 25 tablespoons. Preparation and use: as you can imagine, preparing this remedy is extremely easy. All we have to do is mix both ingredients until a homogeneous substance is obtained. Then, pour the lotion in a glass container and close very well, letting macerate for 2 days. After that time, the mixture is ready to end the pain. This ointment should be applied in the affected area. It is recommended to do it in the mornings, just after waking us. We should only rub the ointment on our skin for 2-3 minutes initially. Then, we will increase the duration until reaching the 20 minutes of application with gentle massages. Finally, we wash our face and dry with a soft towel. With only 10 days of starting this treatment, you will notice great changes in your health. This will stimulate your circulation, regenerate your muscles, bone tissues and even your cartilage. Do not continue to suffer because of the pain. End all of them with this remedy. In addition, help others to end it by sharing this article on your social networks. I